Mansa, a software engineer with ABC Limited, has received an offer from Infosys after her interview with them. Excited, she accepts the offer and prepares to join the organization. Mansa receives an email from Infosys asking her to access Launchpad, the onboarding app, and explains the various joining formalities to her. The onboarding advisor calls Mansa at this point and informs her that for any assistance, she can call her. Mansa uses Launchpad to upload her documents and complete other formalities. While preparing, Mansa realizes that she has to shift to Bangalore for the new job. She starts searching for possible accommodation options. However, she suddenly realizes that a clause in the offer letter stated that the company would provide initial 7 days of accommodation in the ECC inside the campus. Mansa was relieved. Mansa arrives at the campus a day before and checks into the campus. She passes through the security by showing the offer letter and ID proof, gets a pass, and also gets her bag scanned. She then checks into the ECC where she is allotted a room. On the day of joining, Mansa takes all the required documents and moves towards the onboarding venue. On day 1 of onboarding, the onboarding anchor welcomes all the new joinees. Mansa is told about Infosys, its milestones, code of conduct, and security aspects. After this, Mansa, along with the others, is handed over their ID badges. Mansa then goes to the Launchpad kiosk to get her original documents verified. Later, the Infosys team helps them complete all bank formalities. On day 2, the BPHR introduces Mansa to her reporting manager. Mansa is given her system. She logs into it and goes to Launchpad to acquaint herself with other joining requirements. The onboarding advisor also calls her to check if her onboarding went well. After this, she goes to Sparsh and navigates to Harmony and accesses and updates necessary information, which includes HIP nomination, bus pass, club membership, directory system, employee handbook, policies. She undergoes the 1HR session as well. She is also told that for any assistance, she can reach the help desk. Mansa is impressed. Her entire onboarding process went smoothly in a hassle-free manner. She was now ready to begin her journey with Infosys.